Jazzor L-shape woodworking steady rest is a crucial tool for wood turners seeking improved accuracy, safety, and productivity. By supporting long or slender workpieces during the turning process, it minimizes vibrations and flexing, resulting in more precise outcomes. The 3 adjustable metal fixing wheels on the Jazzor Steady Rest cater to a variety of workpiece diameters, ensuring versatility. Additionally, its flexible mounting options on the lathe bed provide adaptability for optimal workpiece support. Investing in a wood lathe steady rest is a cost-effective means of enhancing turning skills, reducing the risk of accidents, and ultimately elevating the quality of your woodwork. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide stands out as a versatile and user-friendly tool for woodworkers of all skill levels. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, the jig ensures durability while maintaining precision with its zero-clearance design. Its safety features, including a one-way roller bearing to prevent kickback, prioritize a secure working environment. With straightforward usage, inserting sliders, adjusting, setting the strip width, and locking the fence, the jig facilitates efficient and accurate repetitive cuts, making it ideal for various woodworking projects such as veneer, marquetry, and furniture making. The POWERTEC aluminum multi-T-track fence with laser measure left to right emerges as a versatile and robust woodworking tool crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy. Its laser-measured track, spaced 3/4 inches apart and 3/4 inches thick, ensures precision in assembly and usage. This T-track fence proves invaluable in creating custom workstations, fences, jigs, and fixtures. Compatible with various T-track systems, it facilitates the attachment of production stops, sacrificial fences, and feather boards. The tool's durability, accuracy, and user-friendly design make it suitable for a broad range of woodworking projects, catering to woodworkers of all skill levels. Overall, it stands out as a valuable addition to any woodworking workshop. The RUITOOL Bench Dog Clamp is a versatile and durable woodworking clamp made of high-quality aluminum alloy. Its stable, hold-fast design ensures exceptional clamping force, and the adjustable feature allows easy positioning and tightening for securing workpieces. Ideal for various woodworking tasks, including milling, cutting, and grinding, this clamp is suitable for use with 3/4 inches dog holes commonly found on MFT tables and workbenches. The non-marring silicone pads protect wooden surfaces while providing a secure grip. With its lightweight and durable construction, the RUITOOL Bench Dog Clamp proves to be a valuable and adaptable tool for woodworkers of all skill levels, making it a great addition to any workshop. The adjustable wood dowel maker jig is a versatile and durable tool that simplifies the process of creating dowels with different diameters. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and featuring 9 hole sizes ranging from 8 mm to 20 mm, this jig offers flexibility for various woodworking projects. With a carbide insert that can be rotated for blade sharpening, it ensures longevity and precision in dowel crafting. Its user-friendly design, compatibility with a drill press, and the ability to produce smooth, round dowels make it an excellent addition for woodworkers of all skill levels, enhancing the efficiency and precision of dowel creation in diverse applications. A cabinet hardware jig is an essential tool for precise and efficient installation of cabinet hardware, such as knobs, pulls, and handles. Typically crafted from durable aluminum alloy, these jigs offer a lightweight and corrosion-resistant solution. The adjustability of the jig makes it versatile, accommodating various cabinet sizes and configurations. Using the jig is a straightforward process. Simply attach it to the cabinet door or drawer front, and it serves as a guide for your drill bit, ensuring accurate hole placement and depth. The benefits of opting for an aluminum alloy cabinet hardware jig include its accuracy, saving time and effort by eliminating the need for individual measurements, its adaptability to different configurations, and its overall durability for long-lasting use. A 3-in-1 variable speed electric belt sander designed for woodworking is a highly versatile tool with the capability to perform various tasks, including wood sanding, metal grinding, and knife sharpening. Powered by a robust 1.5 kilowatts motor, this sander provides ample power for even the most demanding sanding and grinding applications. The variable speed control feature allows users to adjust the speed according to the specific task, providing flexibility and precision. Equipped with three 2x 82-inch sanding belts and 3 grinding wheels, the sander ensures that you have the appropriate abrasive for any job at hand. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the 3-in-1 variable speed electric belt sander offers versatility, power, and control for a range of applications in your woodworking shop. The 9 inches quick draw marking gauge is a valuable tool in woodworking, known for its precision and versatility. Its single-handed design and spring-loaded scale enable easy and accurate marking of lines, depths, and angles on workpieces. With a dovetail keyway for precise alignment and an aluminum ruler featuring both metric and imperial graduations, it offers efficiency and adaptability. Novice and experienced woodworkers alike can benefit from its user-friendly design, making it an essential tool for achieving precise and professional results in various woodworking projects. A multi-purpose drill bit grinding sharpener is a valuable tool for maintaining and extending the lifespan of various drill bits, including hardened steel, carbide, twist, and cobalt types. This portable sharpener is easily powered by an electric drill, offering convenience and versatility. To use it, simply attach it to the electric drill. Insert the drill bit into the sharpening guide and move the bit back and forth across the sharpening wheel. This tool is particularly beneficial for woodworkers and hobbyists who prefer a cost-effective alternative to dedicated drill bit sharpening machines. With its ability to sharpen different types of drill bits and its portability, the multi-purpose drill bit grinding sharpener is a practical choice for those looking to maintain sharp and efficient drill bits. The 12-inch Hacksaw frame heavy-duty adjustable hacksaw with 2 extra high-carbon steel blades exemplifies a robust and adaptable handsaw for versatile cutting tasks. Its heavy-duty adjustable frame accommodates different blade lengths, offering flexibility in applications. The inclusion of 2 extra high-carbon steel blades enhances its suitability for cutting various materials. With affordability and ease of use, handsaws like this are valuable tools for woodworkers and hobbyists, providing efficient cutting solutions across different materials at a budget-friendly price point. The Gugxiom 3-in-1 Doweling Jig Drill Kit is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for creating precise dowel joints. With a self-centering design and 4 brass locators, it ensures accurate alignment during the drilling process. The kit includes 3 drill bits and a drill stop collar, facilitating holes drilled to the correct depth. By clamping the jig to the workpiece and utilizing the guide, woodworkers can easily achieve accurate dowel holes for various project needs. The kit's versatility, ease of use, and durability make it an excellent addition to woodworking tool collections, catering to the needs of both beginners and experienced woodworkers. The POWERTEC aluminum cam clamp for woodworking, featuring a 1/4 20-threaded insert, stands out as a high-quality and durable tool suitable for various woodworking applications. Crafted from lightweight yet robust aluminum alloy, this cam clamp ensures a reliable grip on workpieces. Its quick-release mechanism facilitates swift clamping and unclamping, enhancing efficiency in woodworking projects. The non-marring rubber jaw adds a protective element, preventing damage to the workpiece during clamping. With its durable construction and versatile applications, this cam clamp is an excellent choice for woodworking enthusiasts. The Skil 10 inches dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is a powerful and versatile tool for woodworking projects. With its 15-amp motor and 10-inch blade, it provides ample power for various cuts. The dual bevel design and sliding compound feature allow for flexibility in making precise angles and crosscuts. Equipped with a laser shadow line guide, positive stop system, and dust collection system, this miter saw ensures accuracy, efficiency, and a clean work environment. Whether you're cutting crown molding, building furniture, or making picture frames, the Skil 10 inches miter saw is a reliable and efficient choice for woodworkers of all skill levels. The Kutzall Extreme Shaping Dish, with its high-quality tungsten carbide construction and medium grit, is an excellent tool for various woodworking applications. Whether shaping, smoothing, or deburring, this versatile dish is effective in a range of woods. Its ease of use with angle grinders makes it suitable for shaping and smoothing curves, contours, and edges. The durable construction ensures a long lifespan, and its medium grit strikes a balance between effective material removal and precision. From preparing wood for finishing to creating decorative effects, the Kutzall Shaping Dish is a reliable choice for woodworkers seeking professional results. The MFT-aligned Guide Rail Support Upgrade Kit significantly enhances the Festool MFT Multifunction Table's guide rail support system. Crafted for professionals and hobbyists alike, this aftermarket kit replaces stock components, ensuring improved accuracy and durability. Featuring aluminum guide rail supports with beveled protrusions, the kit guarantees a secure attachment to the table. Knobs facilitate easy tightening, and a mounting plate ensures parallel alignment of guide rails to the table surface. Benefits include superior accuracy in cuts, heightened durability with aluminum supports, reduced vibration for smoother operations, and enhanced ease of use through easily adjustable guide rails. The Bora Centipede 6-piece riser set is a valuable accessory designed for the Bora Centipede workstands, providing the flexibility to elevate the working height from 30 inches to 36 inches. This adjustment proves beneficial for various tasks such as sawing, milling, routing, assembly, and painting. The risers are easily inserted into the P-tops on the workstand, facilitating quick installation and removal. Crafted from durable materials, they boast a remarkable weight capacity of up to 1,500 pounds. The advantages of using this riser set include increased working height, reduced back strain and fatigue, improved ergonomics, enhanced accessibility to tools and materials, and the creation of a more comfortable working environment. The Kiwi Vision Morgan Square Carpenters. Square stands out as a versatile and innovative tool designed for various woodworking projects. Uniquely combining a tape measure holder with a carpenter's square, this tool enables quick and accurate measurement and marking in a single fluid motion, eliminating the need to switch between tools. The Morgan Square features a centerline mark, enhancing precision by aiding in the centering of markings for more accurate cuts. Its compatibility with most tape measures adds to its versatility in woodworking applications. The Tracer ProScribe tool with deep hole pencil, 6x replacement lead holster, and carry case stands out as a versatile and durable marking tool for woodworking projects. Featuring 4 distinct marking modes, including parallel marking and compass marking, it enables the creation of straight lines, arcs, and circles. The tool's built-in deep hole pencil allows marking on wood up to 100 mm deep, enhancing its functionality. Adjustability to 16 positions ensures flexibility for various marking jobs. Easy to use, the ProScribe tool delivers accurate markings, and its durable construction ensures longevity. The GOINGMAKE bench dog clamp stands out as a versatile and durable tool designed for a range of woodworking projects. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction, coupled with a stainless steel spindle, ensures durability and the ability to handle tough jobs. The quick-release mechanism facilitates swift clamping and unclamping of workpieces. Compatible with all 3/4 inches bench dog holes, this clamp provides versatility in various setups. Additionally, it includes protective pads, preventing damage to your workbench or MFT table. Whether making precise cuts or joints, the GOINGMAKE bench dog clamp is a reliable choice for woodworkers seeking durability and convenience. The Extendable measuring stick tool with a pinch stick for woodworking eliminates the need for numerical measurements, offering a versatile solution for woodworking projects. With an extendable design, it allows measurements up to 47 inches, and the pinch stick attachment facilitates squaring up large cabinets or workpieces. To use, extend the stick to the desired length, mark the workpiece accurately, and employ the pinch stick, for a straight cut. Built with durability in mind, this tool is suitable for woodworkers of all skill levels, providing accuracy without the complexity of numerical measurements. Overall, it's a versatile, durable, and user-friendly addition to any woodworking project. The Beavercraft forged adze woodworking bowl adze with wooden handle wood carving curved adze stands out as a versatile and durable tool suitable for various woodworking projects. Crafted from high-carbon steel, the forged and tempered blade boasts a Rockwell hardness of 56 to 58 HRC, ensuring sharpness and durability. The curved blade design is particularly useful for carving bowls and shaping rounded surfaces. With a comfortable wooden handle, this adze offers ease of grip and control, while its ample length provides excellent leverage for efficiently removing large amounts of wood. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.